If you are a finance student or want to make it big in the world of finance, then in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 7 fundamental skills you will need. These skills are commonly used throughout the different finance roles, straight from the investment banking to corporate finance. Stick till the end of this video to know the exact resources to gain, or you can say master these skills. So, hello guys, this is Krupa Shukla. Let's deep dive into each skill one by one. On the first, we have financial modeling, which is a must-have if you are thinking of working in any of the job roles in the finance domain. If I say what exactly is financial modeling in layman terms, then treat it as a tool to forecast the future performance of any company. Learning how to build this model equips you to analyze different business scenarios, identify key drivers affecting the performance, and help you make data-driven decisions to optimize the business growth, making it the most valuable skill companies look for in any candidate. Now, if you want to learn these skills, first opt for the Introduction to Financial Modeling course by Udemy, and then complete Business and Financial Modeling Specialization by Wharton School, which is available on Coursera. Or you can also check out some of the free courses available on YouTube. But I will suggest getting a good certificate for these skills, as this is valued by most of the employers. Now, the next skill we have, which is also one of the most important skill, that is valuation. Valuation is the process of determining the current worth or fair value of an asset, company, investment, or security using various financial models, assumptions, and techniques. It is an essential skill for analyzing companies, making investment decisions, and assessing the financial health of any business. Now, as a student, why do valuation becomes important for you? Valuation is a core skill for finance career, essential for investment decisions and corporate strategy. It will help you enhance analytical thinking and decision making in complex financial environments, making it one of the sought after skills by employers. Now, one of the most and the best resources if you want to learn valuation is YouTube channel of Professor Aswath Damodaran. It's a gold mine for learning, and as he teaches at NYU University, and the exact lectures are recorded and posted on his YouTube channel. The next skill we have is Excel, which is the bread and butter of finance industry. Even if you are not from the finance industry, this is a must-have, widely used tool in corporate world. Now, if you want to learn these skills, you can check out Excel Fundamentals, Formulas in Finance by CFI Institute. This course will cover the basic functions to perform statistical analysis on data sets in Excel, including aggregation, data functions, and lookup functions. The next skill we have is equity research. Now, if you are someone who wants to get into investment banks, then this is a must-have. Equity research is the process of analyzing a company's financial, industry trends, and macroeconomic factors to determine whether a stock is a buy, sell, or a hold. It builds a strong foundation in financial modeling, valuation, and market analysis, making it a critical stepping stone for careers in investment banking, portfolio management, and private equity. It also equips professionals and entrepreneurs with the skills to assess market dynamics, evaluate company worth, and make informed data-driven decisions. Now, there are no such free courses you can learn from. I will suggest first going through some of the free videos available on YouTube. Then you can go for a paid one if you need the certificate. Next, you have corporate finance skills. Now, these has become one of the skills that adds most value to your resume. See, business organizations are constantly engaged in financial decision making related to finance planning, investments, capital purchases, etc. And making the right financial decisions play a critical role in maximizing an organization's business value. Corporate finance addresses these same issues to help you make value-enhancing decisions. If you want to learn corporate finance, there are two best resources. First, we have the corporate finance course from IIM Bangalore, which is available on edX. You can freely access the content, but if you want a certificate, then you have to pay the fee. But it's a great resource to learn for free. The second one is Professor Aswath Damodaran's playlist on corporate finance. If you are someone who is confused about getting CFA or not, then you can do this course, which will help you find out if you really have an interest in it or not. Similarly, the next skill we have is financial risk management. Like corporate finance, this is a very huge, but I still have one course that will help you get your basics clear. If you want to learn this, you can go for the Understanding and Managing Risk free course by the Open University. This course provides a fundamental understanding of risk management concepts, essentials for finance professionals and risk analysts. This is a must-have if you are planning to go for FRM certification in future. This course is free and after completion you will get the certification. Do this certification and you will get ahead of 90% of your peers. If you want to do this course, all the links are in the description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it and comment your thoughts and share it with all of your friends who are also in finance.